Hello, children of Grange, adults of Grange, year 1 and year 2, key stage 1. Oh, I'm thinking of you, and I can see you all as I'm doing this assembly. One day we'll have assemblies again in the hall and be all together. I don't know, I'm getting so used to these video assemblies. So here we go. We know what we're all about at Grange. We know we have a great caring attitude. Say it with me. We're really trying our best. Can you see the question mark? But you know the answer. We always, what do we do with our mistakes? We're always learning from our mistakes. We're always going for improvement and progress. How can I get better? How can I get stronger? We use everything we learn, and everything you learn, we call that our education. We use it to help us to make good choices, and we never, ever give up. We're CC learners at Grange. And we know at Grange, we have our very own way. We have Grange style. Put your hand on your heart. Give yourself a confidence boost. Say it. Doesn't matter what people are saying around me. Doesn't matter if people are trying to drag me down. It doesn't matter if in my head even, my inner critic, that voice is saying, you're no good. No. Confidence. I believe in myself. I give love to myself. I know I can be my best and I deserve to be my best. And we always balance that with consideration. We look at everybody around us and we know that stronger together. Kindness is strength. We have consideration, means we think about everybody else. We confidence, consideration. That's our Grange CC way. So, who are our Grange people of power this week that just gave me hope? Well, first of all, key stage 1 at Grange. The fantastic phonics groups. When I walk around in the morning, I just see phonics groups and I just see children doing fantastic phonics. I'm just so proud of you. So fantastic phonics groups, you just give me such hope. I just see the reading in you. I'm imagining and picturing all the books you're going to read in your life, all the words you're going to read, and all the words you're going to write. And wow. And also, who gives me hope? All our children who do CC walking, CC salutes. Oh my goodness, you just give me hope. You fill me. There's the wiggle, the power wiggle. So today we're talking about a superpower. I'm not going to talk about it so much because I had a different idea. We're going to think about it. I'm going to leave it up to you to think about it a bit, and I'm going to talk more about it in next week's assembly. Superpower of keeping ourselves calm. Some people say to me, oh, that's so easy. I just keep myself calm. You know what? I've realized not easy to be calm. You've got to really think about it. You've got to work on it. You've got to exercise your powers to be calm. That's a superpower in itself. So we'll talk about that more in next assembly. But we have CC walking at Grange. We have Star sitting at Grange. We know that nobody else can do the job for us of being the best in our lives. So I'm Mr. Kerbal. My job in my life is to be the best Mr. Kerbal that can be. Nobody else can do that for me. I just got to do my best. If I make a mistake, I've got to learn from my mistakes. I've got to grow from mistakes. Remember what we said before? I'm going for improvement and progress, always being better and improving and making progress. So each one of us, we've got to remember that. It's our job to be the best us that we can be, the best me that I can be. So do you remember last week we spoke about if you are really worried, if you're not feeling safe, what can you do? And we said one of the best things you can do if you're not feeling safe or if you're worried, if everything feels too much, you can talk to a trusted adult. But we said, who is a trusted adult? And remember, we explained last week, all the adults that work with you every day in Grange, your teachers, your educators, and not just the teachers and educators. You see me, you see Miss Edwards, you see Mr. Rashid, you see Mr. Hutchinson, you see Miss Waite. You see so many different adults in Grange. And I know some adults work with this class and some adults work with that class, but we're all together. So all the adults in Grange are your trusted adults. And if you are not feeling safe, you're just a bit worried, you can talk to them and you can explain to them and they can help you. And that's we said, we sort things out at Grange because when you tell a trusted adult at Grange, even if that trusted adult doesn't know how to keep you safe themselves or how to help you to keep yourself safe themselves, they will come to ask me for help. And we'll sit down together and we'll work out a plan to keep you safe and to make you feel safe as well. And we all work together at Grange. So you know what you need to do. And actually, it's brilliant because I know if I stopped you and I asked you, if you don't feel safe, if you're worried that everything is too much, what can you do? And you're a pupil at Grange, you'll say, Mr. Kerpel, don't worry. Because if you're not feeling safe, because you're worried that we don't feel safe or we don't know what to do if we don't feel safe, we know what to do. We will find a trusted adult at Grange and we will talk to them because we know they're kind, we know they care, we know they will work together to help us to feel safe and be safe. So you know what the answer is. So I might come and check in with your class as Key Stage 1 and just see that you give me that answer if I'm worried and I'm not feeling safe, because I think, do the children at Grange know what to do if they don't feel safe or if they're worried that everything is too much? But I think you all know. So that was last week. Now I'm going to do things slightly differently. So remember the question. I said there was a superpower of keeping ourselves calm. So here's your question. And this is what would be really good if the adults who are watching this video with you, they stop the video for a moment and have a discussion with you. And I want you to discuss what happens to our brain when we lose our calm, get angry, lose our temper, get like really emotional. What happens to our brain when we lose our calm? And even more importantly, how can we get our brain back to being calm? So I'm hoping that's a discussion you have now with the adults you're watching the video with, like maybe in Rumi class, you might be watching it with Miss Lang or Miss Mehta. I just thought of Rumi class, so that was it. Maybe in Malala class, you'd be watching it with Miss Morgan, Miss Coker. Whichever class you're in, maybe you're in Alan Turing class, maybe you're in Greta Thunberg class. You know, you might be in all these different classes, but you're watching it with an adult. So if you could stop it now and have a little bit of a discussion, what happens to our brain when we lose our calm? How can we get it back to calm? And next week, I'm going to talk more about that in assembly. That's why I just put a blank page over here, because I know we're thinking. And if you're really wondering about it, you can stop me. And if you see me, you say, Mr. Kerpel, can you tell me, just give me a little bit of sneak preview of what's coming next week's assembly. Anyway, here are our gold stars in Grange. Bouncing in is Zainab and Amaya and Archie and Harris and Josiah and Elia and Janum and Laryun. Look at you gold stars. And Katerani and Mudassir and Sama and Nicole B. Oh my goodness. And Sean. Look at you gold stars. And there are more. Bouncing in is Isaac and Saria and Hassan and Ayman and Clayton and Nisa and Alessia. Wow, you gold star people. Yeah, the class champions, Saraji in Rumi and Miami in Rumi and Hunain in Rumi. Great week for you. And Shakir in Rumi and Tasnim in Malala and Hassan in Malala and Sean in Malala and Ruhama in John Lennon, Maisa in John Lennon and Ubaid in John Lennon. So proud of all of you. And in Greta Thunberg, it's Rosanna and Amaya and Josiah and Yusuf A. in Alan Turing and Harris in Alan Turing and Ashwin in Alan Turing. Well done, class champions. You did brilliantly. Over 20,000 CC power points, which is brilliant. So who were the classy classes of this week? Well, Greta Thunberg class, you got over 700 points. John Lennon class, 740 points. But the swivel this week, the classy class of this week, is Malala class with 1,228 points. So we are going for so many class charts points, but we're doing so well, but we've only got about 4 weeks to go, and we need to get about 50,000 more points to hit our target. But we're going to do that at Grange because we're powerful, we're kind, we are loved, we are Grange. We have our CC way and we are going to make it. So remember Rudolph, the reindeer? So this year, coming to Grange, real live reindeer before Christmas. So excited for our amazing classy classwork. Let's give ourselves a CC salute. Confidence and consideration. Look at our beautiful world around us. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the learning ahead and be safe and happy. And remember, if I come to your class and I say, if you're worried or if you're not feeling safe, what can you do? Do you know what to do? Even if you're worried and you don't feel safe when you're online, if you're playing with the computers, what can you do? And the answer is you can talk to a trusted adult. And you know who your trusted adults are in Grange. So let's learn together and respect each other and achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be great.